Here in my hands, I have a mystery box from Cosmetic Capital. That's right. That's right. I got a makeup mystery box in my hand from Cosmetic Capital. Oh, yes, I do right here. It's time to open this bad boy and get into it. Who says you can't use a butter knife for this opening of it all? I should have 5 products. I paid about 17 Australian dollars, and that was with the shipping. So they were actually less than that. But I had to pay shipping costs on top. So we do have to do that. I'm just going to open this up. We'll see what I get. There's what the inside looks like. It's just a crumpled bunch of that. I see something in here. Ooh. And here it is. Here it is outside of the box in this. It's gonna be like a pair of shoes or something. Let's see. It says it could be 5. It's kind of small for being 5 of them. Must be some small ones then. Here we go. Cosmetic Capital. Let's see what we got here. This is just some random assortment. I didn't pick any of these. And it all comes in this bag. Just gonna rip it open. Let's see what we got here. We got a cover all concealer. Oh, that could be useful. A little bit of concealer for the under eye there. Definitely gonna use that. Oh, a nice little blush. These all look like, these are both from the same brand. Lush Blush. And this is in there, so they're the same exact brand. Never heard of these brands ever, but they sound intriguing and stuff I could use. Some moisturizing eye masks. Something I never buy myself, but okay. I guess I can. What is this? Lip gloss. Ooh. I'm going to open this one and use it right now. I'm going to open up this lip gloss and use it right now. This is a Beauty Buddy lip gloss as well. Maybe they... So let's see. There it is. That's the color. It looks like it's a burnt red. Let's get the packaging off. This is nice and closed off. This is stuff they said could be like slightly damaged. I'm not seeing anything damaged about this. Well, I guess the packaging on this might be slightly. I don't know. They did say that if it was damaged at all, it was like the packaging was just ever so slightly damaged. So let's try this lip gloss and see what it's definitely like a subdued, dark, but very like pigmented looking red for dang sure. So let's see what this is like. So there we go. Typical applicator. It has a slight color. It did say lip gloss anyway, and so a lot of times sometimes lip glosses can have a slight color. Interesting. Just a nice dude. There's a slight smell to this. I think it's a kind of sweet smell, but it's a very like subdued sweet smell. Like that. And let's see what this is. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and now the 5th. Metallic wash off mask. 15 minutes facial therapy for all skin types. That looks kind of fun. Well, look, I get to have some fun with my mask. So why not have a little get my PJs vibes and put some of this on in the evening of it all and clean this face up of mine. I might have just put some colorful lip gloss on, but who says we can't get into the vibes of chillin'? That's right, I'm now cozy-licious in my PJs, ready to have maskified fun of it all. I saw that this says algae, tea tree, and seaweed. And I'm guessing it's going to be green. So how do we apply this thing? Enrich. Does it say how? How to use. Thoroughly clean and dry your face. Open your cap. Squeeze out in desired amount. Spread evenly over face. Okay. So I got a little bit of wet cloth. Clean my face, clean my face, clean my face. Well, I have been kind of wanting a mask in a way, because I used to have one that was what was it called in it? I don't remember. Charcoal, that's it, like a charcoaly one. Never fully used it, but I wasn't doing makeup and stuff as much as I do now. So, we'll see how this is. So now let's open it. Let's make sure it's nice and fully open. Nope, like I thought, we need to take off the packaging. Okay, my face has been cleaned with some water. And now we are going to get this bad boy on my face. Whoa! Like it said, metallic. Dangity dang dang dang. Am I putting a metallic Grinch colors on my face here? Jeez! Get this all over my face. Probably need more than that. I'm just cleaning it off so I can get some more without getting all over the container. You know. I'm just using my hands. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. There we go. It's looking more like what it's supposed to. You let it dry. I look crazy to the Crazertons. Glad I have a napkin here. Do I look like the monster or what? A new foundation. I'm gonna have permanent green face. No, I'm just joking. A 15-minute timer on my phone. So let's get that situated of it all. See? 15 minutes. And now... And I start. See? There we go. The countdown of my green face. See you in 15. Here these are. Actually, now that I think about it, it's more than 3. It's all the only one that's usable once is this, which I think might not be my favorite. I'm gonna use them anyway. This is probably a good time to. I actually broke one of them. It's like silicone. It's just to go right here. I probably will not. Ooh, that actually feels nice. That glued in my face. Ooh. Where's the other one? There's only one? Where's the other one? There's only one? Oh, the other one's in here. Okay. It got left in the packaging. Oh, I'm breaking it. No. Okay. Okay, let's just get this one on as well. Oh, there we go. And maybe. Oh no, the aliens have come. Oh no. I still have some time. I'm on 11 minutes. Counting. Yep, now I put these on. So these say 15 minutes as well. So I guess they're just going to be a little bit less because I'm going to take off the same time as the rest of my alienness. These do feel a little odd, these things. I don't know if I'm a huge fan of them. But at least I'm using them and trying them out. That's just what you get sometimes when you don't know what you're getting, especially when you don't know the brand or whatnot. But who said we can't have some fun of it all? Drinking some tea and enjoying some me time. The time is up. Why not? Little dance party, right? Okay, as it's all nice and done, and I can feel it clinging into my pores, clinging into it is now like dried. It's not so wet now. I'm gonna first take these off. These things are just bizarre. I don't like these. Probably the kind as well, but I would never use these. I've only used face masks, and I think the kind in a container that you squeeze out is the best kind. I don't even like those kind that you put on your face that's a piece of whatever it is with stuff on it. That's similar to those. But there's that. Oh, I can see the shape of them. But now I'm on my wet cloth here. Let's wash this all off. And voila. As you can probably see, my face is redder. Whenever I use a mask, face wash, or any of that kind of stuff, it gets my face redder, which is not a bad thing, I don't think. My nightly routine, ready to go take some Z's and chillax before then. But at least my face now is all nice and rejuvenated for it. Now as I try these 2 other products after having a day at the spa, now it's time to go out and enjoy the town of some walking and whatnot. And I'm going to add these into my makeup routine as let's try these out. So I'm going to start with the blush here. So we're taking one of my third blushes, maybe. Oh, I'm not sure why it had to be attached like that with some, with that on it. But here we go with it. As you can see, to you it looks more orange, and to me it's more red. So I guess that's just how it is. So I'm going to use this, I'm thinking, to get a little bit of this off and use it for my blush to add to my thing. I think there we go. Have enough or what? There we go. It's like a powder blush, which is kind of nice. That subdues pretty well, actually. Lippy Lip, that's from this brand as well, because that's very rejuvenated. Ooh, that is kind of nice. A powder blush is kind of nice. This might be my first powder blush, fully, or maybe I'm just at least a good one. So now we're gonna do a little bit of this concealer. Yes, granted, I did put some blush on, and maybe I shouldn't have put that on before the concealer of it all. The sounds of making tea. I guess that's how you chillax, right? With some tea. So here we go with this. I used the Preppy blush, and now to what they just call 04 Yellow. So, what the? So there is the product. It's like an off yellow. Definitely yellow. Let me see if I can get this back in. I'm trying to get it back into the container. What the frick? Why is this not going back in there? Here we are. It's officially broken. This beauty butty of a brand. I even looked at their website, and the website looked kind of and all of that. I do not recommend them. Yes, granted, I might like their blush, their lip stuff might have a niceness to it. Like, they use the right kind of stuff in it. It rejuvenates my lips. This one here. So I'm definitely going to be using it, even though the color is a little... Well, the color's nice, but it's a little hard to keep the color in place, I think. Like I thought it was. So that's... And then sometimes when I do lip glosses or things that are like this, they might be put on not like smoothly. Like outside my lips when I'm trying to keep my lips rejuvenated. So far, the green metallic-y face mask is good. The product in there might be good, but the mechanism is really bad. They did say slight damage, so... But how would they have known it was slight damage like that? Because of the packaging was fully closed, so... It's definitely not a brand I would buy from ever again, pretty much, because it's too hit and miss. Because they made a really shitty little container here. Really shitty little container here. Because I have had experiences where if I go like this, I go out like all the way. If it wasn't like, if you can hear that, that's the sound it's making. And I think it means it's broken. Usually, if I push it back in my finger, because I made it go out too much, so just kind of went slightly away from the mechanism. Usually, you can just push it back in, and then it reconnects and redoes it. But I can't even try it now, because I can't get it to come out. I pushed it back in thinking I could get it back in the mechanism, and all it was just too high above, so, but nope. So, there's the lip, nice and subdued, interesting, nice, and then the blush. But I guess because this is a twisty thing, these can break, so that is just the life of it all, I guess. So, 3 products out of the 5, because one of them was use once, that's it, no more uses in it. These have much more uses. At least I have a nice cheap lip gloss thing to keep my lips plumped, nice, and so they don't feel, because they were starting to feel that as anyway. And then an interesting blush that I can, very subdued, like you can see here, so that's not too bad. Okay, in the mystery thing, this makeup's fine, but going on the website themselves, even though they're pretty cheap, don't go, make sure it's in a mystery thing that's very cheap, almost $1 each product. Because I spent about 8 to 9 Australian dollars for the shipping of the mystery box from that website. So it was a nice experience. I did it because I was looking around. It's like, oh, this one's pretty good priced, so why not try it? People were saying the products that they're getting are not too bad, and I do agree with that. The products are good quality if they work, but this is what you get for damaged goods. But you know, definitely going to be trying a more known brand one at some point, mystery related. But at least I have a few little things I can use that I just won't buy again, potentially, because there's not much point in just buying these few little things when I know plenty of good price brands that I can get this stuff from that I actually like all their stuff pretty much. So all in all, there we go, trying this Strawberry Beauty Buddy. And even the name's kind of just like, did you even try with the name? All in all, I had a fun time seeing what this 5-product mystery box did for me. At least I was able to add a little bit of it to my little look.